Maria Urquijo Núñez, and in this video I will present the educational resource I created for Task 5 of the teaching course. It is based on the English for Specific Purposes (ESP) approach and includes the use of artificial intelligence. The scenario I worked on is English for healthcare professionals, aimed at doctors, nurses, and medical staff who need to use English in real situations, such as patient communications, collaboration with international colleagues, and medical documentation. For this talk, I created an interactive activity using Kahoot titled Taking a Pause in Medical History. The goal is to help healthcare professionals develop their listening comprehension and communicative competence in English through common clinical interactions. The research contains 10 questions, all written in English, with 4 answer options per question and only one correct answer. I use Kahoot's automatic reading feature to generate English audio with artificial voice, which helps students improve their listening skills and pronunciation. Here I show you. Audio with question.
What brings you here today?
The answer is I'm fine. I want to go home. I feel very sick. I need to speak English. The correct answer is I feel very sick. Additionally, the tool provides automatic feedback after each answer, showing whether the response was correct or incorrect. This helps learners reflect and correct themselves immediately. This activity is practical, realistic, and engaging. I believe that integrating technology and artificial intelligence into the classroom is a powerful way to teach English for real-world professional settings. Thank you.